Hey everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I thought about my card that I shared with you guys. With the card that I made in a tutorial for you prior to this one. And this is going to go out to a very special lady that she used to be my employee when I was out in the corporate world. And I would always make her something during Christmas. Well, you know, I haven't worked with her for about 6 years now, but I always send her a card. And she's got she's got 4 grandkids. And I thought, you know what, along with this card, I am going to make her a little brag book that she can carry around with her. So I thought I would use all the scraps that, you know, have been, that I created after I made the card. So I took my scraps and this is what I came up with. So it's going to be a brag book, and it is only going to be 4 by 3, okay? So this is a piece of cardstock that was left over when I was cutting pieces for the card. Now this is 4 by 7.25, and I did score it. I scored it at 3. I scored it at 3.25, at 6.25, and then 6.5. Okay, and then with other scraps, I went ahead and made this accordion, and this is 12, and I scored it every 3 inches, 3, 6, and 9. And then I folded it, and then I folded it, and it becomes an accordion. So I thought I would make her a little brag book. So I put some adhesive on the back, and these are going to fold in, guys. These, I put a little gusset in there for her so that when she does load it up with pictures, it's not, it's not such a tight fit. So let me fold these, and this is going to be her little brag book. Now I think the closure, I may just use a little Velcro on there. So I'm going to glue this onto here, and I just need to make sure that it is not going to interfere with the fold lines, which it's going to be fine right there. Okay, so let me glue that down. Okay guys, I have glued that down, and that's going to be so cute. I think that's going to be adorable. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I like it already. Okay, so what I did was I did have the cut aparts. So I have cut aparts, and I have some of the green and gold polka dot paper. And then this is what I have cut out for the front. So we're gonna set that aside, and I am going to see how I am going to arrange these. So what I think I'm going to do for the front is I think I'm going to glue the front piece to the little side flap, and then have the Velcro over here. Is what I think I'm going to do to the front, but that's going to wait. So it's going to open this way, and I did cut a little piece that's going to go right here. And guys, I'm just matting this. It was just a mark and go on my mats. I just marked where I needed to cut, and I cut. So I don't, for this one, I can tell you what the size is, but I didn't write it down. I'll have to measure it. So this is my inside mat. Okay, now how am I going to mat these? Maybe I can do that. And then it opens this way. So maybe I can do another cut apart and then another mat. Yeah, I'll do that. So let me glue these down. All right, I have this side matted, so I need this side. So I think, let me see, it goes this way, she opens it this way. We're going to do it that way. All right, guys, I have matted the inside. There's the one side and there's the other. And there we go. She's got four boys, 4 grandkids, and they're all boys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and she can cover these up, of course, with more pictures if she wants. But if she just puts one of each in here, she will still have a pretty picture to look at there. Oh, I like that. Okay, so what I am going to do is I am going to glue this down right here like that. And I still have a little piece of this. I may incorporate this in there, but let me glue this down. Okay, so I have glued that down, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and glue it right here. But this is what I have for the front. I have the wreath right there, and I have a poinsettia, and I was going to do 2 little holly leaves right there. And that's how I was going to do that. So on the chipboard, I just made another bow and I put a little star in the front. So that's what I was going to do with that. But I may... Okay guys, this is how the front is going to stay. And I am going to glue this down. This, I've already put glue on the back, to the front flap. Okay guys, so that is the front of this little brag book. Now all we need is some Velcro, which I know I pulled out. Here it is. So these are my little Velcros. And I always put a little dab of hot glue on my Velcro so they'll stay right in the center and just a little dot. So I am going to put it down right here. Now another little dot of glue right here. And then let's make sure that it is straight. There we go, guys. That was so quick. I mean, I don't want to embellish it too much because, I mean, it's a brag book. She'll probably carry it around with her. So I'm not going to embellish it too much. Anyway, here we go, guys. I think it turned out really cute for a, you know, just, I had, you know, stuff left over and why not use it, you know, and this is a small enough project that it will be treasured, I'm sure, because I know her very well. And yeah, I know she's gonna enjoy it. That I'm gonna send that along with her Christmas card, and that turned out to be a really cute duo. I really enjoyed that. It was so much fun. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, there you go. Thank you so much for visiting with me, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would deeply appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, because when I do giveaways, I really want you guys to claim them and enjoy them. All right, guys, thank you so much. And don't forget to visit ASC Craft Supplies. And I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.